First one, associative property is satisfied, rational number is satisfied associative property of a addition, rational number not satisfied associative property of a subtraction, rational numbers is satisfied associative property of a multiplication, rational number is not satisfied associative property of a division. Next, simplify. Example 1. Simplify 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 5 plus minus 13 by 7. Minus 13 by 7. Simplify. First, rearrange the fractions. First, rearrange. Rearrange the fractions. First of all, 2 by 5 minus plus of minus minus 6 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus into minus minus 13 by 7. By using commutative law. Commutative law. By using commutative law. First, the LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. 2 minus 6 plus. Next, LCM of 7 and 7, 7. 3 minus 13. 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 5 plus 13 minus 3 minus 13 minus 10 by 7 minus 4 by 5 plus of minus minus 10 by 7. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 5 and 7 is 35. Numerator part is minus 4 into 7 minus 10 to 5 plus into minus minus 4 7s are 28, 5 10s are 50 by 35. 28 plus 50 is 78. Minus 28 minus 50. Putting the common sign minus 78 by 35. Therefore, the result is minus 78 by 35. Next, example 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following rational numbers. Given rational numbers ki additive inverse rayali. Example 2. First one 2 by 7. First one 2 by 7. The additive inverse of 2 by 7. Solution part. The additive inverse of 2 by 7 is. The additive inverse of 2 by 7 is minus 2 by 7. The additive inverse of 2 by 7 is minus 2 by 7 because 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 equal to 0. Next one 11 by 5, 7 by minus 13, minus 2 by minus 3. First, the additive inverse of minus 11 by 5. The additive inverse of minus 11 by 5 is 11 by 5. Next, 7 by minus 13. 7 by minus 13 can be same as minus 7 by 13. The additive inverse of minus 7 by 13 is 7 by 13. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 is same as 2 by 3. The additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Okay? Next, multiply the reciprocal of example 4. Multiply the reciprocal of minus 9 by 2 comma 5 by 18 and add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to the product. What is the result? Multiply the reciprocal of 9 by 2 comma 5 by 18 and add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to the product. What is the result? First of all, we find the reciprocal of 9 by 2 and 5 by 8. Then their products and added to the additive inverse of 4 by 5. Solution part. The reciprocal of minus 9 by 2 is minus 2 by 9. Next, the reciprocal of 5 by 18 is 18 by 5. Product equal to their products in the minus 2 by 9 into 18 by 5. 9 table 1 time 2 times equal to plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 by 5. Next, the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 is 4 by 5. Their sum equal to minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 equal to 0. Additive inverse. By using additive inverse, minus 4 plus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 equal to 0. అంటే minus 4 by 5 4 by 5 is cancel is 0. Next, exercise 1. Name the property involved in the following examples. అంటే గివెన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ అనేది ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ 8 by 5 ప్లస్ 0. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.1. ఫస్ట్ వన్ 8 by 5 ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ప్లస్ 8 by 5 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సెకండ్ వన్ 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Next, third one 3 by 7 into 1 equal to 1 into 3 by 7 equal to 3 by 7. Fourth one minus 2 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 2 by 5. Fifth one 2/5 plus 1/3 equal to 1/3 plus 2/5 equal to sixth one. 5/2 into 3/7 equal to 15/14. Seventh one. 7a plus minus 7a equal to 0. Eighth one. X into 1/x equal to 1. Ninth. 2 into x plus 2 into 6 equal to 2 into x plus 6. Name the property of involved. ఈ ప్రాపర్టీలో ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ, ఈ సమ్స్లో ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిందో రాయమన్నాడు. ఓకేనా. 8/5 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 8/5 equal to 0. This property is additive identity. Sorry, 8/5. Additive identity. Next, 2 into 3/5 plus 1/2 equal to 2 into 3/5 plus 2 into 1/2. This property is called distributive property over addition. Distributive property. Next, 3/7 into 1 equal to 1/3 into 1 into 3/7 equal to 3/7. This property multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Same. Minus 2/5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 2/5 equal to minus 2/5. This also multiplicative identity. Next, 2/5 plus 1/3 equal to 1/3 plus 2/5. This property commutative property under addition. Commutative property of a addition. Commutative property of a addition. Next, 5/2 into 3/7 equal to 15/14. This property is a closure property of multiplication. Of multiplication. 7a plus minus 7a equal to 0. 7a plus minus 7a equal to 0. This property is additive identity. Additive identity. X into 1/x equal to 1. This property multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Last one. 2 into x equal to 2 into 6 equal to 2 into x plus 6. This property is a distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. Next one. Fourth sum. Multiply 2/11 by the reciprocal of minus 5/14. Multiply 2/11 by the reciprocal of minus 5/14. అంటే 2/11 నెక్స్ట్ minus 5/14 యొక్క రెసిప్రోకల్ని 2/11 మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ సొల్యూషన్ పార్ట్. ద రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ minus 5/14 is 14/5. The reciprocal of minus 5/14 is minus 14/5. By problem. Problem given multiplication of 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 15. Multiply 2 by 11. Multiplied the reciprocal of minus 4 by 14 is minus 14 by 5. Next plus into minus minus 2 14s are 28 by 11 5s are 55. The result is minus 28 by 55. Next, what number 9 sum? What number should be added? Should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2. What should be the added minus 5 by 8 so as the get minus 3 by 2? అంటే మైనస్ 5 by 8కి ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి రిజల్ట్ అనేది మైనస్ 3 by 2 వస్తుందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. అంటే మనకి గివెన్ నెంబరు రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబరు లెట్ యాజ్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్ బి ఎక్స్, లెట్ ద నెంబర్ బి లెట్ యాడెడ్ నెంబర్ బి ఎక్స్ by problem నుంచి x plus minus 5 by 8 equal to minus result minus 3 by 2, x equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. అంటే 4 3s are minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 will become minus 7 by 8. The result is minus 7 by 8. Next, 10th one. The sum of two rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers the sum of two rational numbers is 8. Is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other. The sum of two rational number is 8. And first two rational number sum 8. First number is minus 5 by 6. Then find the other number. Solution part. Let other number be x. By problem, the sum of two numbers equal to 8. First one minus 5 by 6 plus x equal to 8. And x equal to 8 minus 5 plus 5 by 6 by 1. The LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. 8 6 are 48 plus 5 equal to 53 by 6. 53 by 6. Therefore, the required other number is 53 by 6. Let us continue this session next class. Bye. Thank you.